Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to shut down without actually installing updates on your Windows computer. So if you want to shut down your computer without actually having any pending updates download and install during that process, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. What you want to do is tap the Alt and the F4 key on your keyboard combination at the same time. So again, Alt and F4. And it's going to ask what do you want your computer to do. Click the drop down. If you had any updates in here, it might say update and shut down or something like that. You just would select the shutdown in lieu of that option. So if you went through a start menu, you might be a lot more limited in your options there. It would just tell you, oh, you have to update and shut down, update and restart, something like that. Whereas if you did the Alt and F4 combination, you have the ability just to shut down directly from here. And this is applicable in earlier versions of Windows as well. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.